Hey guys, it's me, Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. I have a surprise today. I'm going to teach you what I eat in a day with my meals and snack options. So this hopefully will help you to pay it forward and give you some ideas of what you can make as well. So I just want to tell you that I do intermittent fasting. So I eat 2 big meals and then I have some snacks. And they vary. I have a video on all my favorite snacks that you can check out as well. And this is just one of many, many, many meals that I make. So let's start off with my big salad. Okay. And I have lots of vegetables, so you can use whatever veggies that you have in your fridge. But I love zucchini, red pepper, yellow pepper, broccoli, some shredded carrots, and underneath I have romaine lettuce, and I usually add spinach and kale or both or all three. I change it up. You can use whatever lettuce you want, all right? And fruit. I love some chopped apple, and I have some blueberries. Any fruit that you have will just add a little bit more sweetness and fiber. And I love some craisins. I have these craisins that I buy from Sobeys, and look, it's 50% less sugar. So I just sprinkle in a few. And as you noticed, I have these beautiful sunflower and pumpkin seeds. And you can use some almonds if you like to. I love to have toasted almonds on hand, all right? And a tablespoon is 1 smart point. Those of you on WW. Now, for the dressing, I like to make my own most of the time with 2 ingredients, balsamic vinegar and different sugar-free syrups. So this is raspberry by Da Vinci. I got it at the low-carb grocery store, but they have them at HomeSense in different places you can find. And I also have different recipes on my YouTube channel. I also love the Opa dressing, and sometimes I want a creamier dressing, so I add all 3. And you can just experiment, and that's what I love to do. Now I have my protein, which you can see I made my tuna burgers. I'm obsessed with them. And I also use different things, different proteins. You can use chicken meat. You can make it into salmon patties. I have a different recipe for salmon patties as well. But again, it's versatile. So I'll have a couple of these and my salad. And sometimes I'll have these pierogies, or I'll make my 2-ingredient bagels. I'll just show you the package of the pierogies. They're like a rice pop. They're vegan and they are low carb, low calorie, no sugar, low in fat, and delicious. So, and I believe just 25 calories. But again, you can have your pitas. I love the Joseph's pitas, and I usually have a low carb meal because that helps me. And I hope I mentioned these beets. I put in some beets as well. Again, it's versatile. If you don't like that, you don't have to. You could add mushrooms, you could add tomatoes, you could add cucumbers. I always add various vegetables because you need to shake it up. Now, dinner. For dinner, I've already made a big stir-fry vegetables with onions and mushrooms, and you can see zucchini, broccoli, red peppers, yellow peppers. And I had some leftover baby tomatoes, grape tomatoes. Never throw them out. You can make an amazing stir fry. I added some minced garlic, about a good tablespoon, and onion and garlic powder, and some Italian seasoning. And today I felt like using some arrabbiata, and I make my own as well for 0 smart points on my YouTube, but sometimes I absolutely love just using some Raos. And you can add any protein to this. You can add chicken, you could add beef, you could add tofu, you could add beans, you could add shrimp, okay? You could add crab meat if you want to. And when you make a huge amount, like I like to do, as you can see, then I have enough for several days. That is my tip. Now, you can just keep it with vegetables and sauce, or you can use these konjac noodles that I like, or you could use, I also love the Fiber Gourmet pasta. I get that at my low carb grocery store, but you can look it up, okay, as another option. Of course, if I don't use any protein inside, I have my chicken burgers that you can check out, and my broccoli muffins, and more of my pierogies. I'm on a pierogi kick, but you can have my 2-ingredient microwave muffins, maybe 3 ingredients. Sometimes you can use whatever bagels, the 2-ingredient bagels if you want, or nothing. It's up to you. But I like a well-rounded meal with lots of veggies, should be half your plate, low carbs, not no carbs. I like low carbs, but again, you want to add other carbs. That's up to you. I'm not telling you what to do. And high protein. Okay, so it'll keep you fuller longer and satisfied. So let's get on to the fun things. I love my Built Bars. I have various Built Bars. Okay, so this is my Built Bar for today. I'm just trying to see. Oh, it's the white chocolate cookie. Super delicious, high in protein, low in fat, low in sugar, and zero guilt. You can see that. And if you use my code RISA, you get 10% off, even if there is a discount, which is great. And they always have lots of discounts. The other thing I love is Greek yogurt. It's plain, zero fat, low in sugar, high in protein, and amazingly delicious. And I love to add a little bit of some PB2 powder. Now I have my almonds, and sometimes I add some fruit. I might add some, I'm just gonna show you. I always keep some frozen fruit. I have different frozen fruit, but I also have fresh fruit, and that's another snack for me. So that's what I'll have in a day, some snacks. And sometimes I like popcorn. Again, you can check out my video on snacks. So have a well-rounded lunch, brunch. You can also have these as a snack as well. I love them as a snack, my tuna patties. And I love my broccoli muffins as a snack. Okay, and sometimes I have those as snacks, and sometimes I have my pierogies as a snack with my PB2. Add a little bit of some water and you can add that. But again, lots of different options here. And if you want to include breakfast, you can. That's up to you. Again, I do intermittent fasting. You can check out my videos. I'm not an expert, but just my experience on my YouTube channel. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to give you some ideas of what to eat in a day. Love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, ask me questions. If you would change things up, comment below. Share with everybody you know, of course, because sharing is caring. And I just want to pay it forward to help other people on their health journey. Take care. Bye for now.